Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi guys, I am pre-recording this because if everything has gone to plan, then right now I should be in surgery for my knee. For those of you who aren't aware, back in May, I had a root tear of my meniscus, and my first doctor gave me bad advice. And then I went and got a second opinion, and now it's going to get fixed. So, if you could just think about me, and I'm going to be pre-recording this video and then also the reveal next week. So I'll probably just be wearing this same outfit again next week when you see me. My content has been sparse, and that's just because I've been going through a lot with the pain and the loss of mobility, and it really does something to you. So just hang in there with me. I have ideas for things that I want to add to my channel. And so once I can get through this surgery, he told me it was going to be a difficult one. It would be 6-week recovery. I'm going to probably not have a lot out over the next, few weeks to month. But I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things and have some wonderful content for you upcoming. So, back to Battle of the Stitches. This week we do a sneak peek of our unique designs that we made with the stitch. We're working through this book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter. I have all the people who are competing with me in Battle of the Stitches in my description. I'm just trying to get through this quickly, so I'm sorry I'm not giving as much detail as I did last week. We are doing this month, we're doing the staggered double crochet. So here is a sneak peek of what I'm doing. So you're welcome to put some guesses in there. Forgive me if I don't get right back to you. Probably today I'll be groggy and sleepy. And trying to fight through some pain from surgery, but I'm going to get back to all of you as soon as I'm feeling better. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.